Installing a heatsink and fan module. Align the 4 screws on the heatsink and fan assembly with the corresponding screw holes on the system board. Make sure the fan cable is close to the heatsink fan connector. Fasten screws 1 and 2. Fasten screws 3 and 4. Connect the fan cable to the system board. If the server is installed with a 95-watt TDP processor, the heatsink fan should be installed on the rear side of the chassis. Align the 4 fan screws with the screw holes on the rear side of the chassis and then fasten the screws to secure it. Fasten screws 1 and 2. Fasten screws 3 and 4. Connect the fan cable to the system board. Install the server cover.